Today we're going to be taking out the PJS Barbie ski. The ski has been updated with a PJS 800cc engine and it's all dialed in. So we're going over to the track for a lap time and I'll show you the engine a little later in the video.
That is going to be an obstacle. How good I'm doing. I wonder if I can jump that log. Oh. How does this thing jump? Super jet. I can probably do it. $750SX for sale. Has only been smashed on a log a couple of times. Wow. Heaven help me. That was frightening. I made it over the log, but I think my ride plate caught it and sent me straight down. And the nose went like, yeah. Got a little bit of a kink in my neck from that. Yeah, so here's the Barbie ski, strong enough for a man, made for a woman. I'm surprised at how good I'm doing with it. The ski seems to handle a little better than a 550, maybe? I don't know. Handles pretty good, surprisingly good for me. Look at how good of a job I did at installing the jet trim. Yeah, guys, so, I don't know. Does anybody want this thing? I mean, it's an 800, 3,000 bucks. Is that a good deal? I think I might have dumped more money than that into this thing. I do not know, but I do know that we have to get on to other JetSki Brothers projects to get on with the show, more spectacular things. And so this was never going to be something with a sense of permanency on the videos. But really kind of more to give you guys some 750 content when we could. Because everybody likes to have something that they like on our videos. Oh gosh, now I gotta try to get back over that thing. I don't know, I'll just go around, I think. So The lap times are supposed to start at this opening that's kind of right on the other side of that log. And I'd love to get this thing out of here. I don't have a crew to do it today. Yeah, JetSki Brothers, very seldomly do we have all three of us together these days. It's been really tough. So, gosh, who was it that said to get rid of that log? I am with you. I hate this thing. It's really not beneficial for our cause. Get rid of the log, doggone it. All right, I'm gonna see if I can do my best attempt at a lap. I mean, I can just hold it wide open and try to jump that log again, but I don't know if I want to. I'll make up my mind, I guess, doing the lap, but all in all, I'd say this ski isn't too hard to ride. Only handling mod is my homemade ride plate that's very long. All right, what do we have in the way here? At least the log is slippery. Am I even gonna... Okay, yeah. We got room. Okay. Oh gosh. I just found another log. The original starting log. It's way under there, but I just drug my legs on it, turning around. It's actually not bad. Good spot to hold myself. Okay. Yeah. You know what? This is gonna give me advantage because I've got my leg on the log to show off. Yeah, okay. Wait, I know what I need. I need a ski holder. I can't do that. Freaking A. I just gotta do it. Freaking do it. Oh no! Okay. Didn't crash into the log. I'm gonna have Josh guess how fast of a lap that would have been.
Alright, well, I'll just start off by saying
Milo is helping with the camera. Yeah, you guys use your babies to film? That's what we do.
so that ski, I'm not even on the camera, let me stick my face over here. We're gonna come back and talk more about the ski a little bit later, but I just want to tell you guys the lap time right now is 51.17, and that's sort of estimated because of how the log was blocking the track. I was sort of adjusting it to account for that.
I felt fast. I felt reasonably fast on this thing. I felt like I was making the old PJS Barbie ski strong enough for a man made for a woman. I thought it made it look all right. I'm not an expert on this ski, but it turned out rather good. Oh yeah. Okay. We do it good.
like the tide is really reeling out for me right now, so I am going to have to cut out for right now and get back to it tomorrow.
PJS. Gonna be taking it for a burn today. So this is an 800cc engine, and yeah, this is the one that's based off the 650, but we got the PJS accessories on here. For anybody who cares, I'm gonna be selling this thing pretty soon. So check your Craigslist if you're in Washington. It's gonna be about 3,000 bucks or so. I think that's an okay deal for one of these with an 800 in it. Kind of has that street bike sound. I did this project with a lot of neat parts that I got from vintagejetski.com. If you haven't already, go and check out vintagejetski.com. We have a promo code with the JetSki Brothers, and that'll get you 5% off your next order. Okay, there it is. There she goes. The Barbie ski, strong enough for a man but made for a woman, is it's going. I sold it for 2,900 bucks. You guys can tell me if you think that's a good deal or not. This guy showed up for something that Jason had and ended up buying my thing, and I didn't have to really do anything, so it's kind of funny in that way. This is what it looks like in the back of the car. Okay, now you see it, and I hope you like it. Okay, a 750 SXI with the 800 PJS motor is 51.17. We'll say 51. And okay, comparing that, what's above it is the Super Crash did 49.24. Doesn't sound that special. The fastest stand-up lap that I ever did was on the totally bone stock 2013 Superjet, and that was a 45.89, which really kind of weird that that's the fastest thing by far. Okay, the SXR 800 looks like Jason did that at 47 seconds.
Well, I wasn't planning to have you read through the full list of lap times.
Okay.
So, if you guys want to see the full list, I'll have it posted somewhere. I have the lap times posted in a community post, so I'll just update those so you can see them.
I would say, yeah, this list kind of reflects maybe how reasonably good it is. 750 SXI for handling, I thought it was way easier to ride on the track than the 650s. By all means, easier to ride than the 550 on the track if you're trying to get a razor on the edge fast lap. So I found that the ski handled good. It had I don't know, something like 5-inch, 6-inch extended ride plate, very long, and it was pretty good. It still porpoised a little bit. It's pretty wild that it still did that with a really long ride plate like that on it. And it did have some kind of scoop intake grate on it, but it seemed like it handled reasonably well. It wasn't wavy on the course, so it was just clean water, and it wasn't too bad to ride. So 750 SXI is a pretty decent ski. It was a little bit wild on the course. We had a log jam. So 51-second lap time, it really is not too bad. I don't think I practiced very much for that lap. I think I might have done 2 or 3 laps and just did it. And the fact that I was able to do it and pretty much get clean laps every time, that's a pretty big deal, I think. A lot of times with the vintage skis, there's just such a big handful. And so it was a pretty decent, easy to ride setup for me with the Barbie ski.
I had to change a diaper.
Yep.
So now I'm back.
Okay.
So that's it for the Barbie ski. You're never gonna see that thing again because it's gone.
It's sold. Yep, I sold it. Yep.
So,
and if you have any opinions about that type of thing or the type of content we deliver, let us know. We're always interested to hear your thoughts, and hope you like the video. That's it.
bye.
Bye-bye.